Not sure how many plants you can grow in each tent size? Here's a quick breakdown of plant counts and the best Mars Hydro setup for each space. And just a quick heads up, these are general suggestions. You can adjust plants number based on plant size and your grow plan. A 2x2 foot tent is ideal for 1 to 2 plants or seedlings. We recommend pairing it with the FC 1500 4-inch fan, a clip fan, and the eye control for simple automation. For 3x3 tents, you can comfortably grow 2 to 4 plants. FC 3000 gives full coverage, supported by a 4-inch fan, clip fan, sensor kit, and eye control for stable environment control. Moving to a 2x4 tent gives you room for 3 to 4 plants. FC 4000 is the best choice for a 2x4 tent. It gives you great coverage and works perfectly with a basic setup. A 4x4 tent is great for 4 to 6 plants. Use FC 4800 with a 6-inch fan, 2 clip fans, plus AdLight, humidifier, and iHub Pro. Add drip irrigation and auto drainage to automate the whole routine. For growers running 6 to 8 plants, a 5x5 tent is the perfect space. FC 6500, dual clip fans, AdLight, humidifier, drip irrigation, and auto drainage create a fully optimized grow environment. A 4x8 foot grow tent is great for mid-large grows with around 12 to 18 plants, powered by 2 FC 4800. Just add your airflow setup and automated environment gear to keep conditions steady. A 5x10 foot grow tent is ideal for bigger setups with about 14 to 24 plants, using 2 FC 6500. Combine your lighting and airflow system with automated environment devices like the 15-liter humidifier for consistent climate control. The 8x8 grow tent is perfect for large home grows with 16 to 36 plants supported by 4 FC 4800. Combining your lighting and airflow setup with automated environment devices really helps maintain consistent conditions.